Campus Rakshak, a decision framework for population safety in campuses. The Campus Rakshak is designed to be a decision framework that integrates different applications and tools such as the Go Corona Go app for contact tracing, Tapestry pooling for campus-wide testing, simulators, and recommender systems to form a single platform that can monitor, predict, and recommend mitigation strategies for campuses against COVID-19. We will now describe a little more about the main components of this framework. Go Corona Go app for contact tracing. The Go Corona Go app uses Bluetooth broadcast and scanning to determine nearby users. It builds an anonymous contact graph for the institution. In the event a positive case is detected and if contact tracing is necessary, the institute authorities have the capability for selective de-anonymization, which can aid contact tracing. Tapestry pooling for campus-wide testing. Tapestry pooling is a novel smart pooling scheme to quantitatively test many samples using fewer tests. The tapestry pooling algorithm assigns individual samples into multiple pools. Based on the results of each pool, the algorithm predicts the samples that are positive for COVID-19. Tapestry pooling combined with swap pooling can provide up to 100x savings in testing costs. Epidemic simulators. Three agent-based epidemic simulators, each with different strengths, were developed as part of the Campus Rakshak project. CampusSim is an agent-based simulator that models the spread of the disease via various interaction spaces. Each agent is assigned to various interaction spaces such as classrooms, hostels, messes, and cafeterias. The simulator can model complex intervention strategies. CampusSim provides a fast and concise simulation platform. Campus Modeler. Campus Modeler is an agent-based simulator that models the movement of agents in a campus. Based on the agents' locations, the interaction graph between agents is updated. As the simulator tracks the spatial movement of agents, it has the ability to model spatial interventions such as closure of a particular area on campus. The modeling of spatial movements also enables rich visualization of activity on campuses. Episimmer. Episimmer is a very modular and flexible epidemic simulator that enables the user to specify their custom disease progression models and intervention strategies. Episimmer can be used to model scenarios that are not supported by the other simulators. In addition to simulations, Episimmer can be used to develop decision support and recommender systems. Health Badge. Health Badge is a badging system that enables real-time implementation of interventions. It uses information from the other components such as test results, contact graphs, simulation analysis to prescribe activity levels for everyone on campus. In addition, it can also be used to suggest the candidates for testing. In conclusion, the Campus Structure platform would be a valuable tool for campus administrators to maintain a safe campus amidst the COVID-19 pandemic.